You weren't running from me, were you?
No, sir.
I didn't think so.
Alright.
Did you not patrol any legal reason for your speed?
No, sir.
Okay. And then you ran the red light making a U-turn.
I was trying to get damn, I left my wallet.
You weren't running from me, were you?
No, sir.
I didn't think so, but...
What? I wouldn't have pulled over.
No, I'm saying, but when you made that U-turn, it's just a little...
Yeah, I was coming. I was trying to go there, but...
Okay.
I wasn't running from you.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
So you are in the parking lot, so let me go run this, make sure nothing else is going on.
You want me to park somewhere?
Yeah, so we're not blocking here. If you don't mind, just find a spot over here that's open.
All right, thanks.
I appreciate it.
All right, man. Yeah.
Because unfortunately, like I said, I'm not going to tow your car.
Right.
I wouldn't want to see anybody drag that up onto a tow truck, but you're in a park, you can park. As long as you get somebody solid come out, get the car, you'll be good to go. All right. I'm just waiting for this return to come back. All right. Let me, once that comes back.
But the car insured.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, the car's good to go. Yeah. But just be careful because, like I said, I had you speeding. And then you run the red light because it's red arrows. That doesn't mean you can just make a U-turn. You know?
Oh, I didn't know.
That's what made me think potentially you were evading. All right.
I would have been getting up a little faster to that.
Yeah. But it ain't working. Let me get this stuff back.
All right. Yeah, it's nice though.
$100,000 truck.
Yeah, it's nice. Cops got me, man. Huh? Walking. No, I'm in this car right here.
Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, shit. Damn, motherfucker. How the hell you end up in our parking lot?
They pulled me over. I pulled in here.
Oh, okay.
Parking lot.
It's a bit hard, man.
Yeah, it's 2024. Yep, 760.
Damn, big bike.
M Sport.
What's all the way around? Yeah, you gotta find that piece right there, man.
Yeah, when I had it towed one time.
Oh, they came up.
And they took that off the tow truck, and he never put it back on there. I tried to get him to give me another one, a road show, but he was trying to charge me. I'm like, y'all towed the car.
Yeah.
How you gonna charge me for something y'all left out? Talking about, oh, it's been too long for us to replace it. So I was, trying to get some money, because you know, once they sell the car, it's over with for them getting some money for the car. So they have to get you in the service line, and and try to peel you for everything, tires. One time they wouldn't release me my car because I wouldn't let them put tires on it. I had to cut up. They finally gave it to me. They was trying to hold, talking about $3,000. For real though, the back tires, I priced the back tires on this car. They $1,750 a piece. $1,750 for this side, $1,750 for this side. Because it's a specialty tire. It's like a 285 something.
I got you. Is the back bigger than the front?
Yeah, they different tires. Size and all. Appreciate it. Mine, that Sahara claim.
can get that squared away, and then this won't cost you anything. That's all I'm really selling.
All right.
He's in June. Does that sound right?
Yeah. Man, that wagon is nice. Warlock. Nice.
You know how many miles are on it?
This car?
Yeah.
Like 35.5. What did you look at?
Couple signatures, okay?
All right.
Non-admission of guilt, just confirming that you're going to show up to court.
All right.
The court date's going to be April 8th. If they need to set it out, they'll do that day. But just make sure you go to court. I don't want to see you get jammed up in a circle, but 7:30 in the morning, okay?
Okay.
Like I said, I just need a signature from you, non-admitting any guilt, just confirming that you're going to show up, okay?
Just confirming I received the citation.
That's it. That's it. I'm going to give you this back so I don't forget. And then I do need your fingerprint. That's required by Shelby County. Doesn't go anywhere other than to say that this citation is you. And the only other signature I'm going to need, I'm doing what's called a no-tow report. Like I said to you, I'm not towing your car. We'll release it to you. You can just put it right in there. All right.
Okay, good enough?
Yes, sir. And you're going to get a copy of this. Like I said, I'm going to swing the computer over. You can come over to the passenger door.
I could put my wallet, put my stuff in my wallet.
Yeah, you're good, man.
Right.
You're good. You got nothing but cool with me. So
All right.
get you out of here in about 30 seconds.
All right.
You want a copy of this, sir? You're not required to take
nah,
off. This
I
is just
don't.
saying I'm not towing you.
Okay.
You can just sign with your finger in there. Any personal property or anything like that, it's all the liabilities on you. It's all audio video recorded, but I just want you to know that we're not towing. That's
All right, thank you. And I
now,
just
if you leave it here and Jeep tows it, don't do that.
I'm not gonna leave it here.
Yeah. At least we're getting some decent weather.
Yeah, because I would have hated for it to be Arctic out here.
Yeah. Well, we would have did something on that. I don't make anybody sympathetic. All right.
All right,
so just try not to forget that April 8th. You have a good day.
All right, thank you, man. All right, thanks. To the hotel as soon as your ass leave. As soon as his ass leave, guys, I'm blast off.